Hi guys and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new blog post 20. And in this blog post, I'm going to give you the basic understanding about the x-axis of the stack bar chart. So let us start. As you can see that on y-axis, I have various products, and on x-axis, I have uh, unit price of these products. So let's start like what kind of changes or how we can actually play with the unit price when it is actually on the x-axis. So when we will actually go to the x-axis, this x-axis is available under the format tab of the visual. So when you will click on this, you will get the x-axis option, and when you expand it, you will actually get various sub options. So let us discuss them one by one. So first option is scale type. This one is linear, and then there is another one which is actually log. So what is actually linear and what is actually log? So first we will discuss about the linear. Linear means like uh, a basic price which is actually starting from the zero, and then there will be various set of unit prices for each product, right? So with respect to those unit prices, you will actually get a lengthy bar like, and on the x-axis these prices are actually linearly divided, like and it is auto calculated with respect to the maximum amount which is actually present in the visual. So right now it actually created a linear series after automatically analyzing the data on the x-axis about the unit prices, whatever that data is, and it actually has created uh, uh, seven different intervals, and each interval is basically separated with like 500 value of the $500, which is actually starting from the zero. Then there's a 500, then there's a 1000, then there's 15,000, then 20, then 25,000, and 3,000, and then 3,500. And and after that there is no other value. It means like the maximum value is either $3,500, or it is actually between the 3,000 and the $3,500. And I think this is the maximum value, which is 326, that is why you are getting the upper limit of the 3,500. So one way is to showcase your data with respect to the linear scaling. It will auto calculate the maximum and the minimum value, and then it will create the intervals, and then it will distribute those values along the x-axis. After that, then there is a scale type of the log. So when you will actually click on the log, it will give you the values with respect to the 10 raised to power. Like 10 raised to power naught is 1. So 10 raised to power naught, or the 0, means $1. Then there is 10 raised to power 1, which is equal to $10. Then the other one is $100, which is actually 10 raised to power 2. And then the series will move on and move forth. And it right now it means like the maximum value is 10 raised to power 3, which is like equivalent to the $10,000. So here the values are actually distributed with respect to the logarithmic, with respect to the log values. So here distribution is present, but it is with respect to the log, and the log is not of another value. It is the log of the 10, which actually means 10 raised to power, starting from the 10 raised to power 0 till 10 raised to power and this, all the whole x-axis is basically created by analyzing the data that is provided to the Power BI. So you really don't need to create these intervals. That will be automatically created. Then there is I really would like to switch back to the linear, because further properties will be very easy to explain with respect to that. Then there is a start. So first one is start means like you would like to showcase a value of like road 150 red 48. This is a product, right? So you would like to showcase the value of this product, but it is actually accumulating various unit prices that are actually that is this is actually accumulating the unit prices of all the units of the road 150 red 48 product, and now you would like to see like you would like to slice the data, like you would like to see the data from a certain point. Like for example, I don't want to see the data between 0 and 500, right? I would like to see the data, all the products which actually lies between 2000 and onward. So I can actually see, I will write 2000 over here and see all the products who have the values less than 2000 are disappeared now. You can't see those, none of them, right? And you can only see those products which are actually lying beyond the 2000. Like the minimum value is still there, so 0 is still there, but the value of the bar actually maximizes uh, above the 2000, right? Which is, for this it is actually 3326, right? Now what does the end mean? Now if I say that I would like to see the data like which is going to end uh, within like 2400, so what will happen? So right now it has given me the it has given me the products which actually lies whom bars or the whom unit prices actually lie between the 2000 and 2400. Now let's say that I would like to see it between 2200. Sorry, 2150. So right now I am actually getting all these products. So let us have another example. Now I say that I would like to see the starting point as 2600. So I am going to put over here, and I will get only those products whose bar are actually maximizing from the 2600 over here, right? And now if I would like to see the end of like 27, so it is showcasing me the values which of those bars which are actually lying between the 2600 and 2700. Again, I can actually invert the axis. Let me clear that one. So here I can actually invert the axis. By inversion means like I will get the same visual, but starting value will be starting from the right. For the dashboard, sometimes it is very useful, but not all the time. So you can actually utilize this inversion axis as per your need. Next one is coloring. So if I say like I would like to choose, let's suppose pink, dark pink. So it will change the color of the text to the pink, and I can actually increase the size of the text by clicking on the text size. So it's getting increased. I can also choose the font family as per my need. I have various font options available over here. So I can actually choose the product as it is actually appealing to my audience or the users. Again, I can actually go and opt for the bold. Like for example, I can actually bold these values of the x-axis. I can make them italic. I can actually give them an underline look. Now there are display units. These are actually normally automatically calculated. You can actually give them none. None means is actually the same as auto, and then you can actually utilize the display units in thousands, millions, billions, trillions. So when you will actually convert them into thousand, it means like all the values which are coming over here, they are actually automatically changed to the uh, million, sorry, thousands, million, and it will be automatically calculated with respect to the display units. So for example, if I say trillion, so it has automatically converted the value on the of the unit price to the trillion. Right now it is showcasing 0.0000 trillion. The main value is there, but it is not showcasing you right here right now because uh, the original value is is near to zero when we talk about in trillions. So that's why it is showcasing trillion. But the companies who have billions of revenue or even millions, they can actually showcase the trillion. Next one is the title. The property is related to the title. So when I will click on the title, uh, when I will click on the title as off, the title will be not here anymore. When I will click back it to the on, I can actually get this. So style option is like show title only option. So you have no more option available over here in future. Microsoft will provide style options. So again, the title color. So you can actually choose any color that as it pleases you. Axis title, like if you would like to give the x-axis title over here, you can actually give them. So let's assume like I am giving like values over here. So the default value is changed to the value, the text value that I have given. So also I can actually increase the size. Again, I would like to put it back to the unit price. So let's see if I would like unit price over here. Again, you can actually choose the font family. It could be anything as per your liking, as per your audience liking. And again, you can actually change, you can actually give them a bold look. Why is it not coming over here? It should be showcasing me. Okay, so you can actually have bold. You can actually change the title to the bold. You can give it an italic look. You can also underline it as per your need. Next one is the grid line option. So I can turn it on and I can also turn it off. So what is actually happening over here? So in order to visualize this, let me change the line color to the more appealing color. Let's assume like I would like to give them an orange and strike width I need to increase. And you will see that there are dotted lines that are actually present now, right now. So this is the dotted line. It is actually showcasing the ranges. It is actually showcasing like where the bar is actually getting intersected at a certain price, like 2000. So this point is basically for this bar, like for this product, Mountain 100 Black 42. At this point, the value is 2000. At this point, the units actually have 1500 value. And then at this point, the value is 1000. So I have various line styles as well, like solid. If I would like to see the correct, I would like to have, I would like to see the values, but in a one glance, I really don't want to think. I will utilize the line style. I have the dotted and the dash as well. So this is the dotted one and this is the dash one. So not much difference. So you can actually change that. And if you don't want to put it you can actually turn your green lights off. So this is all about the understanding the x-axis properties of the stack bar chart. I hope so you have understood the concept of behind my video. So please do not forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel YasirFazal and this video as well. And as always, please spread the knowledge. Thank you.